Okay, let's get into this. So I've decided to read a few hate comments just to give you guys an idea of what we YouTubers have to go through and what we have to see, what we have to take in on nearly a daily basis from people. Before I get into the juiciness of the hate comments, I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite bags from Teddy Blake. This is one of my recent bags from Teddy Blake and I absolutely love it. So this is what the bag looks like. It's kind of Chanel inspired but without the Chanel price tag. I love a budget and I think it's just so gorgeous. So it has this kind of string on the top of the bag and it's like a quilted material, and it has this really nice lock in the front of the bag, and once you open it there's quite a lot of room. It looks like it's a small bag but there's actually quite a lot of room. So you have space here to put like maybe like cards and stuff, and then you also have some space in the front here as well. You know, a decent amount of space inside. You can hold your phone, your keys, your lip gloss, your blot powder, your taser gun, whatever else you need to carry with you on a night out. It's perfect for like nights out, dinners, and it's also quite a nice bag because it's like semi-casual. You can make the chain long like this, or you can make it short like this, and I just think it's just so cute. So I'm going to show you. You know, you can hold it like this, or you can have it longer. You can hold it like this. It's just super cute. I love it. And also it's actually real leather, which is just amazing, but you're still getting that kind of classy Chanel look. And do you know what I love the most about it? I love the color. This isn't a color that I would normally go for, but I just think it's something that I need, because I normally, if you know me, you know that I stick with like the same bags, and most of the time my bags are like black. So I really love the fact that this is a really nice like tangerine orange, and it just looks really cute with a lot of different outfits. So yeah, I'm gonna leave all the information for this bag in the description box. I'm gonna leave a link to Teddy Blake. They have really good handmade guys, good quality bags. They're handmade in Italy, but the company is based in New York. So I'm gonna leave all their details below. Make sure you check them out. This is gorgeous, and they have so many different current styles on their site, and they're affordable, which is just great. So yeah, make sure you check that out in the description box. I'll leave all the links that you need to know. Let's start reading these hate comments. Whoa. Okay, we're gonna start off with a good punch. So Fox N Ram says,
"Get off the internet, fucking monkey."
You could have asked nicely and maybe I would have listened to you. Deja Mitchell says, "Hey, rip off. I know you list your camera and software in the description box, but I would like to know what lens you use. Do you stick to the kit lens?" First of all,
bitch,
you know full and damn well you didn't type in Ropo in your keyboard and it auto corrected you with rip off. So I'm not going to tell you where my camera's from.
Good video, but I couldn't help but noticing your watch. Get a better watch, okay?
I'm not gonna lie, that one actually kind of hurt me. Basically, I've been wearing a Casio watch since maybe like 2013 or something. I love Casios. I love my watch. I love simple jewelry. I don't really like to wear a lot of jewelry. I literally wear stud earrings, just a simple watch, maybe some rings if I'm feeling a bit fancy, maybe a necklace if I'm really feeling fancy. I don't like jewelry. So my Casio watch is my prized possession. I love that thing. But just because of that comment,
you know I'm not happy, you know I'm trying.
I was quite hurt by it, and the person who I was with when I read it was so kind enough. They saw my pain that I was feeling through, you know, the backhanded comment, and they were kind enough to buy me a new watch. So what's her name again? Georgia Gallimore. Are you happy now? I've got a Daniel Wellington watch. I hope that makes you sleep well at night. This one was left on my cooking with Roppo video, so I was just cooking for myself. I was cooking for myself in my kitchen, and Rose Gold African Barbie Princess says,
"It's really unhygienic to cook with your swaying everywhere and playing with your hair. Just a tip I was taught as a little girl."
Was I cooking for you? R. Boyd comments on my hair video and she says,
"The music is a bit much. It's a tutorial, not the club. Consider something soothing next time, please. Thanks again."
Do you know what? Just because she asked very nicely, I actually replied to her and I said, "You know what, sis? I hear you. I hear you. For my next video, I'm going to make the music, you know, a little bit more mellow. Just for you. Because you asked nicely." This one, my friend screenshotted basically like a Twitter conversation between some girls. Honestly, I didn't really take this bad, but I can understand where they got, you know, confused. So basically in one of my try on haul videos, I said how I I prefer buying size 12s now because I've put on weight, and although it doesn't look like I've put on weight on camera, I know my body and I can't fit in 10s anymore. I guess they were having a conversation about me on Twitter and they said,
"Can't believe Opera's a size 12, question mark, question mark, question mark."
And then someone replied,
I can swear she was smaller.
and then she basically said,
"Girl, apparently not. She's saying that she can't fit into size 10 at times."
and then someone else said,
What do you think? Bigger or smaller?
Smaller, like size 8, 10.
I never said I was a size 12. I never said that. I said I've been putting on weight and I can't fit that well into size 10s anymore, so I've been buying 12s. And even if I said I was a size 12, why are you having a debate over my size over Twitter? I don't really get it, but girl, yeah. This one was left on my, it was like a get ready with me video, and I was basically, the title was something along the lines of from house girl to home girl, or like transformation, watch me transform, something like that. Grace Sentongo says,
With the title, she meant, if you, a house girl, serving in a house, use this makeup to steal the man in the house and become a home girl. Wow. Homewrecker.
woo! Okay, this one was left on my smiley video. I was basically explaining about like my smiley and like how long I've had it, the benefits, the pain, piercer, all that kind of stuff. This person says,
But when you smile, you can't even see it.
okay. Someone else commented on another one of my teeth videos. I was talking about how I get my teeth so white, and then someone called Mike G says,
Blacks make white brighter.
okay, Mike G, that would, I'm assuming you're Caucasian, but that would explain why a lot of you have yellow teeth. Thanks for the insult. Okay, a lot of comments were left on the me doing my brother's makeup video.
Good but bad at the same time. Blend. Even when it's man's makeup, do a good job.
Do you know what I don't get about that video? So many people were telling me to blend, right? The whole point of the video, it was supposed to be comic relief. Obviously, I wasn't doing his makeup to get him ready to go to a wedding or an event. He was not going to wear the makeup out. It was comedic relief. So I didn't blend it on purpose for comedic relief. Whew, ciao. David Imwang says,
Blend more. Laugh my ass off. Your brother should kill you.
David Imwang, is it that deep? Why are we talking about death in a makeup video? Why? Cindy Muddy says,
You did it so badly. Yeah, needs to blend. Did him no justice.
he wasn't exactly going to wear the makeup out on a red carpet, was he? Simply Tandy says,
It hurt my soul. You didn't blend. Even her face isn't properly blended. Looks like chalk mud.
wow, so much hate, sis.
You look so much better without the tons of makeup I always see you with.
My channel is makeup, hair, and a tiny bit of lifestyle. Why did you subscribe to me if you want to see me with a bone in my neck? So yes, you clicked on my videos knowing full well I do hair, makeup, and a tiny bit of lifestyle. So sis, you're going to see hair, makeup, and a tiny bit of lifestyle. If you don't like it, sling your fucking hook. I found this one kind of funny just because of the response that the girl gave to her, but I don't think it was like a hate comment, but I just found it funny. So Jacqueline O says,
Your eyes look so tired, or as if you cried before filming. I could be wrong though. Beautiful regardless.
and then Love Me Some Dodo says,
So what's the point of your comment?
Black to Grace says,
Yoruba is not a tribal language. It's a language full stop. Don't demean your culture.
you're reaching. What? First of all, Yoruba is a tribe in Nigeria. Wouldn't that make the language a tribal language? How does that mean I want to demean my culture? Explain, sis. I need answers. Explain. What? Reach. You're reaching. You're reaching. Lana Lane says,
Hairsisters has darker wig caps. You can order online.
do you know what's really annoying about like some videos that people keep commenting on? I could have made a video in 2012 2012. When obviously we weren't that educated on frontals, wigs, lace colours, plucking, all that kind of stuff. And someone in 2019 would come and comment and tell me to reverse what I did in 2012. It's like, sis, the video was filmed 5 to 6 years ago. Let it go. How can you tell me to change my wig cap in a video I filmed 6 years ago? Like, people love to leave hate comments, and then the minute you call them out or the minute you give it back to them, they're,
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I was not, I didn't mean to be mean, I was trying to be horrible, I was just saying, I just wanted to let you know.
you knew what you were doing when you were trying to throw the shade. And then when I came and gave it back at you,
Oh my god, no, I didn't mean to be rude.
keep the same energy, sis. This one is a little bit like, I get this all the time. A lot of YouTubers probably get this all the time, and I can sympathize with it. I totally understand it, because I will probably be just as pissed off. But basically it was left on a hair video. Captain Chloroform says,
You hair gurus for RPG show are hypocrites.
you don't know me from a can of paint. You don't know me from a can of paint. How dare you? How dare you call me a hypocrite? And then she says,
They only send the gurus of top quality wigs so they can review them and try them to advertise them. I received my RPG show wig and they send the wrong wig. Everything was just wrong, and they refuse to even help me or resolve my issue. When I call, they hang up the phone. How can you gurus advertise a wig company that only gives the better wigs to you whilst their regular customer gets wigs that look like synthetic? That's all mattered.
do you know what? I understand, because if somebody's advertising something that looks good and I get it and it's rubbish, I'm gonna be pissed. But you can't attack me for telling my truth. I'm not being funny, but a lot of people that complain about their hair them not receiving the same quality hair. Did you wash the wig? Did you wash it? Did you pluck it? Did you bleach your knots? Did you go to a good hairstylist? Did you look after the hair? Did you buy products for the hair? How did you expect it to be nice? I don't really receive a lot of hate comments that often, and if I do, I'm always on my phone. A lot of YouTubers know that I personally have the YouTube app, so when a comment comes in, I see it straight away, and I also get an email. So if there's a comment that I don't like the sound of it, if I don't like the looks of it, I just delete it straight away. And most of the times it's within like 5 minutes of you even leaving the comment. So if you've left a comment that wasn't so positive and you're wondering, rah, where's the comment?
I deleted it.
Those are my hate comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because you know a lot of you like negative. Yeah, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that's it. Bye.